Alright, so after our talk about the boots yesterday, I wanted to make a little unboxing video for you. I've got my boots here and I haven't opened it yet, so I thought it was like could be a fun thing to show you what's in it as a little unboxing video for you. So here we go. We got the Fracap logo. Handmade in Italy since 1908. Very nice. Oh, I'm shaking. So fucking excited. Really hope they fit. All right. So we got the boots. Ay. With the calf skin and the wow. And a little brush, of course. You can't do without the polishing, the branded polishing cloth. The eyelets, calf skin, all black, blue laces with the Vibram shoe sole. So sexy. A little bonus with the black laces. I was hoping to get some red laces, but I think maybe it's cool that the blue laces are like the accent color. But I might get some red laces for that Swiss army boots look. It is very nice though with the blue laces. Here they are in all their glory. So nice. Ay. Fucking so clean. Got the blue insides, you see. Leather all the way. Got the made in Italy. Made in Italy. The size there. I think, unfortunately, this sole is not glued on, or is not loose, it's glued, which I think is a little bit stupid. But it's all good. And then we got the tongue, the double tongue here. So sexy. Open up. Wait, give me 2 seconds. Opened all the way for absolute water proofability / dirt proofability. Very nice. Gonna be so nice hiking or just walking and swagging around in these. And this detail of it going down here. Wait, let me see. And over like that. Ay, so nice. So nice. I'll put these bad boys on and I'll show you how they look. First impressions, fit is immaculate, unbelievable, super nice, super sleek, so fucking Thank you very much for my little vlog video.